Welcome. So today in this video, we're going to learn the find and replace function in Microsoft Excel. So in this screen, as you can see, I have made a table having the headings name and sales. Right now, I have five names in front of me and the five sales amount. Let's say that the number of names are more than five. Let's say if they are 100, then it would be difficult for an individual to find a particular name. For example, let's say instead of five names, there are 100 names, and I have to look for the name known as John. So it would be difficult, but with the help of a function called find, it becomes very easy for an individual to find a particular value by the name or sales amount. So for that, what you need to do is that firstly, the name of the Excel function is called find or replace. So to uh, search for the find option, you just need to go to the home tab, and this here in home tab, you need to go in the editing ribbon, and in this here you will find an option called find and select. You, so once you click on it, you will see different options: find, replace, go to special formulas, notes. So just click on the find one if you want to find any particular name or number. So what do you need to find? You need to find a name called John. Oh, let's do it again. So once you click on find and select, this will pop up, and in this we have option of find and replace. If you want to find a particular name or particular sales value or anything, you just need to write what you are searching for. For example, right now I'm searching for a name called John, and if I click on find next, I'll have this John value in front of me. You can also click on this match case. For example, if uh, it is important for an individual to see if the caps lock is on or off in a particular name. For example, if right now he's searching for a name that is John with small letters, but right now we have John with J capital letter. So if I click on this match case, then it will not give me any value. See, so it shows that we could not find what you were looking for. Pick options for more ways to search. So by just clicking options, you know, you have these different scenarios that you can work on. And for example, if you want to replace a particular name or anything, just write find name that you want to replace, and you want to replace with John with, let's say, Mike. Find next. See John with Mike and replace. So once you click on this replace, see John has been replaced with Mike. So this is how you can find and replace any particular value in Microsoft Excel. And there is another way you can do it, not by just going first of all at home and then find and select. You can learn shortcuts to find its control plus F and to replace its control plus H. So you can also learn these formulas or learn these little shortcuts that can make your that can help you save some time. So this was about find and replace in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.